Yes. Now I am at Prasad Pram Temple and in Koke City, or we can say Lingkapura. So we can hear a lot of bird song call. So the birds are very happy. Even me, I am here, I feel very fresh, very happy, and then I don't want to go back home. I want to stay here a few days with all this great song from the bird. Oh. Okay, but when I come here, when I want to come to this place, because I want to show everybody the kind of happy bird, always happy bird of prey. So here I can see Shikra. What is Shikra? So everybody, okay, let me show you the Shikra first, and then I will describe and will tell you everything about what does it look like. Okay, now take a look to some. Oh. It doesn't look to me. Take picture from behind. Okay, Shikra it's not very big if we compare to the dove. If we compare to the red color dove or eastern spotted dove, it's almost the same size. It's between 35 to 42 centimeter. Yeah, but I love it, and it's easy to tell, even though it has subspecies. But Shikra, you can see it's with the gray head. We can say pale gray. It's not 100% gray, but it's pale gray, and the back also is pale blue gray. And you can see the white throat. You can see the white throat with the faint dark. Yes. So underpart, you can see it is like bar, white bar with rufous. Yeah. So it kind of, if it fly, you can see it's more white. Yeah, but you can see white and rufous bar. Let's take a small look. You can see the iris of the Shikra. It is red-orange iris. Yeah, red-orange iris. Yeah. Okay, I will show you some more picture of other birds. But anyway, thank you very much that you try to follow my video, and every of my video I try to tell you each bird, and I try to describe every single detail of the bird. So I hope that you enjoy watching the video, and I hope that until now you can recognize or you can identify many birds. I will show you more about birds in Cambodia.